This is Mark Femerite, and for those of you that use the FAST assessment system this fall, this video is to guide you with printing out individual reports from FAST to share at parent-teacher conferences. There are two ways to obtain an individual report. The first way is to log into the fastbridge.org site, go up to the top of your screen, click on the reporting tab, and the report that you want to find is the individual benchmark report. And I'll go through an example of how that can be generated, and I'll give you details about what's in the report. That is the easiest way to print out reports for whole grade levels, whole classes. For some of you, you may want to go to the screening tab. If you only need the individual benchmark report for a few students, then find the students you want for a report, click on the small box by those students, and then click on individual benchmark report. The reports will be there to print. Again, for our purposes today, I'm going to go to the reporting tab. I'll choose individual benchmark report. For this example, I'll choose a reading, and then you want to choose a particular grade level associated with your name. For some of you, you may have multiple grade levels, and reports are only printed out by grade level. So in this case, this will be grade 5, Beth Harstead. Click on Generate Report. The next thing to look at before printing is you have two options at the upper right-hand corner. You can display monthly or weekly growth and keep it at monthly growth. And then you have an option of putting in a national percentile line. What I recommend is you will scroll down, choose the 50th percentile, which indicates grade level benchmark. And keep in mind, for those of you teaching math in particular at the middle school, that percentile might be slightly different than the 50th percentile. Make sure you're choosing the correct one. Then click on Go. The reports will update to indicate a national percentile line, which we'll use as our grade level benchmark. And it'll show fall, and then predictive scores in the winter, and then in the spring. What the chart demonstrates will be a few things. The dark blue would be above grade level. The light blue is low risk. The lighter pink is some risk. The darker pink is high risk. And then there'll be a colored dot that indicates the student's score. It's only a dot because most students have only been in the FAST system for one testing season. If you had students that were in the pilot last year, you may see a line, and eventually there'll be a line going across this whole chart over multiple testing windows. Down below, you'll see the student's score. You'll also be able to compare that to what the score is for above grade level, some risk, high risk, the student's school and district percentile ranking, along with the national percentile ranking. To print out the report, you simply go up to the upper right-hand corner, print report, and you're set to go. If you have any questions about the report or need assistance with printing the reports, feel free to give me a call or email me, and also reach out to your building principal. Thank you.